What's up, guys? We're back again with some more information that's going to help you generate some revenue. You see the title of this video. We'll be going over exactly what you need to do to start your business in any industry from scratch. And I can tell you how to do this because I've done this for myself in multiple different industries. We've made hundreds of thousands of dollars working at mansions, golf courses, local community businesses, you name it. The craziest part is that I started this with a $200 pressure washer that my soon-to-be wife helped me fund. This was about 4 or 5 years ago. I just had a kid. I didn't have lots of money. I didn't have a huge team. And we grew this into a 6-figure company, soon to be 7-figure company today, mainly because of me, a close family member or a close friend, and a lot of hustle. Understand, if I can make it from that situation, you can make it from your situation. Before we dive into the blueprint that's going to get you to the next level financially, let's take 20 seconds to ponder. What is business? Business is providing wanted goods or services in exchange for currency. Business is a trade. People will give you what you want as long as you give them what they want. And business, as the providers, we are after their money or their currency. The customers, our clients, they want a solution to a problem. You have to understand that your business will live or die based on your ability to help other people. I'm gonna say that again. Your ability to generate revenue and be successful in business is based only on your ability to help other people with their problems. So ideally, your business is the superhero that comes in and saves the day. You're not scamming, you're not ripping people off, you're not being a dick. Your business will not last if you act like this. Understand, your business or your busyness has to be set up for the long run. Now, the question becomes, what can I do to save the day? What can we do to save the day? How can I add value to the market? Well, what do you do at a high level that you can monetize? What would you be willing to learn at an underpaid or unappreciated rate? Make a list of 3 things. I'm serious. Do that right now on a paper or on your phone. Make a list of 3 things. Whatever these 3 things are, these are the starting points for your business. Remember, you can make millions of dollars in just about every single industry. Real quick shout out to Geo Digital Marketing. They run the raffle from the last video for the free 30-minute business consultation. Send me an email or get a hold of me on Instagram at Malik Jamal Speaks. We can set that up and we can get you right. If you want a chance to win a 30-minute consultation next video, drop the comment last one. Just like that, the comment last one. All the comments that say last one will be placed in the random comment selector and the winner will be announced in the next video. Let's get back to it. So once you have an idea of the industry that you want to play in, now it's time to do some research. Study the leaders of industry. Let's say you decided to get into selling flowers door to door. Google flower salesman in your city. Click on the first 2-3 links that aren't ads. Click on those people that are ranked at the top of Google. Look at their business, study their website, go on their social media pages, see their pricing, give them a call, see what they sound like. Literally put yourself through their business funnel, okay? Turn yourself into a customer in their business. Make yourself familiar with the process. Understand what it feels like to be the person buying that service. Know the industry leader better than they know themselves. Find out where they have shortcomings and improve upon that. That is how you're going to make it in any industry. Find out who's doing it good and do it better. Again, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars off of this method in the exterior restoration industry. There's a lot of old guys in the brick paver, the concrete, the woodworking, the carpentry industry. These guys are not that tech savvy. I say it all the time. A huge part of our success was the modernization of the marketing methods in this industry. There were not many people at the time that I started 5 years ago that were even running Facebook ads. They had no idea the power of a video ad, a time lapse. In almost every industry, e-commerce was still a little bit behind at that point. So definitely when you look at an industry that's as old as time itself, they're not caught up. They're not caught up. They don't know. One of the biggest gripes about this industry is that the people who do it just aren't personable. The customer service absolutely sucks. But people need this work done. Society would go to crap if these people weren't here doing everything that they're doing. Put yourself in that position. Become that person that everyone needs. Find an underserved market with plenty of weaknesses. Insert yourself in that and modernize that market. We see this strategy in big macro media all the time. Often great things are forgotten or taken for granted. We have to take the timeless things, remaster it, modernize it, and distribute it back out to the public. Okay, this thing made $100 million 50, 60 years ago. The people who purchased that service are no longer here. Let's remaster that and bring it to modern times. That is a major key for anything that you're doing. Look at your movies, your music, all your shows. It's all remasters of previous hits. Nothing new is under the sun. So get in there and improve upon that. If they don't have a good online social image, do that and sell the same thing. You'll pick up that whole market that didn't even know that service existed. Good artists copy, great artists steal. Emulate them and add value wherever you can. Understand this is a point in your business where you're going to start to eat a lot of crap. You're going to take some L's. You're going to lose. Don't give in. Don't give up. It really is okay. In the short term, it's going to feel like pressure. It's going to feel like the world's closing in on you. It's going to be really uncomfortable. All right, but you lost $10,000 and you spent a year to figure out how to make $10,000 in a week. And you now have the skill for the rest of your life. Every time you've messed up, it's an opportunity to confirm that what you just did is not what we need to do. So you'll never do that again. You will not make that same mistake again. If you're smart, you will not make that same mistake again. You are now one step closer to figuring it out. Remember, the light is at the end of the tunnel. And when you get there, it's beautiful. Now, the final piece of your business that you need to put in place before you can start to generate some revenue, you need to acquire some social proof. Any kind of advertising or marketing effort that you decide to put out without any social proof, you're going to be extremely ineffective. No one is buying anything without looking it up on Google first, especially from a service business. Grandma might be the last one to roll that dice, but the rest of us, we're not doing it. We're going to check you out. We're going to vet you. We're going to see what's up. The internet era has brought a lot of good things. It's also brought a lot of bad things. There are tons of scammers, unqualified, unprofessional people. It kills me how many people give advice on YouTube about stuff they've never done. This is why I started this channel, because I'm telling you guys what I have done and what I'm actively doing and continuing to do. I'm showing you guys this stuff. But I digress. Once your infrastructure is set up, your phone system, your website, whatever else you need to get going right away, now we need to start making ourselves look like a legitimate business. Optics is extremely important when it comes to generating money. Chuck and Terry's tree service does not sound as good as Tree Masters tree removal. Chuck and Terry don't got the reviews that Tree Masters has. Chuck and Terry don't got the pictures up and videos up that Tree Masters has. Chuck and Terry are not transparent. They don't have pictures of their work, while Tree Masters is going live on all social media platforms every day at each job site. Which one of these two companies are you going to hire for tree trimming services? Which one of these two companies do you want to be as a service provider? Which one of these companies do you think is making over $1 million? Compare yourself and your venture in your industry in that same kind of standard. How do you look to the guy that's doing it the best? How do you look to the guy that's doing it the worst? Which side of that spectrum do you fit on? Are you McDonald's? Are you Red Lobster? Are you Gordon Ramsay? What's going on? 90% of your competitors will be McDonald's in just about every industry. The top 10% of people, those are going to be your studs. Those are going to be the people that are serious, just like you. So lock in, get serious, connect with those people, like-minded individuals, and continue to move forward. Stick to the path, stay on your journey, because you will reach your destination once you take all of the necessary steps. Slap the like button, subscribe, drop a comment if you got any questions. I appreciate you for watching. Peace.